Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to install Melta free video editing app on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store right here. And then if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. And then having get to your Play Store on Android or App Store on your iPhone, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the search icon right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on search app and game. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in edit and hit on search. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Just like so. As at the time of making this video, 50 million plus are download and using this app to edit their videos all for free. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on install right here. After a successful installation, next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on open right here. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead. You can decide to connect your Instagram account with the app or switch account right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to connect my Instagram account straight up. Just like so. Click on allow and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use this particular edit free app right here, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.